What is happening? Today I'm going to revisit a somewhat older topic with the American flag French cleat system and the pegboard stars. I built this a while back, had a couple questions on how I built it, never got around to making a how-to video. So before we get into it, go ahead and hit that like, hit that subscribe button if you love America. And if you don't, I don't know why you're watching this channel anyways. Onto the project. This is probably one of the cheaper ones. Start out with a 3/4 inch sheet of MDF, cut out the area for the stars, and then rip down the areas for the stripes. You may be asking yourself, how do I know what dimensions to rip the stars and the stripes to? Well, I thought the same thing, so this is what I used. Type in American flag calculator, put in the 4-foot dimension, the width, and then it calculates it all for you, so you don't have to guess. And this is why I love the internet. So you just take the letters up above and match them to the letters down below, and you have perfectly proportionate dimensions. So when I made my original cut, I made it double the width for the stripes because I knew I'd have to rip them in half at a 45-degree angle to get that French cleat. And for those of you that don't know what a French cleat is, it's literally just a 45-degree angle cut that works as a latching system when you put the other 45-degree board on top of it, used for hanging stuff. That was a super poor way to describe a French cleat system, but if you need more info, give it a Google. Next, just got it all fastened to the wall, used some 3-inch screws through the stripes and into each of the studs, allowing plenty of strength for me to hang whatever I need to hang on it. This next part is a little extra, so be aware. And to be honest, I probably would not have done this if it weren't for my dad making each one of the stars. He loves that tedious work where I would have pulled all of my hair out. So as you can see, we had the 3/4 inch piece that we cut off for these stars, drilled some 1/4 inch holes, got some 1/4 inch pegs, and then right here we are gluing and then pinning each of the stars to the pegs themselves. These pegs are going to be removable, so if I want to hang something on them in the future, I pull the star out with the peg, replace it with a longer peg, and voila, I have a spot to hang whatever I need to hang. Like I said, I probably wouldn't have done this if it weren't for my dad. But in the end, it did turn out pretty sweet. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and let me know what other types of storage I should make for it. So far I've got the mag holder, the helmet, and the plate carrier.